Hello, hello. Welcome to Module 7. I hope to have your grading done by the time you see this, but I was at a meeting this Friday, which I think you'll be excited about. I went to Genentech, and they had a bunch of community college instructors there to help us know what they want in you if you happen to want a job there. And it was a pretty interesting meeting, and we had an engineer walk us through the production line. We had hiring managers tell us about things that they like and they don't like when they're seeing candidates. And yeah, that was really a nice time. But that's important because the pre-lecture video turns out to be about Herceptin, and that's a Genentech product, and that's the example that the engineer today told us about. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, I'm all excited about Genentech, but this week is actually not about biotechnology production, but it's the pre-production stuff. So where I visited was the making of the protein and getting it pure and following all the FDA standards. What this week's lecture is about is all about before that, the people designing the cells that are going to be used to produce this exciting product. And so how do you control a cell? You control DNA. So this week is all about ways to get that going, and it should be pretty exciting. So we got that. Remember that next week your report is due, so you need to do your research this week to make sure that you're on the right track. So 3 to 4 pages is the report. Pick any company that floats your boat and pick some topic that you can write about sensibly in 3 to 4 pages. So it could be all about one product. It could be all about the types of diseases that a company tackles or the type of environmental problem that a company tackles. If you want to be a financial analyst, well, go figure out how the company's stock has done and why it's done the way it has. Whatever is interesting to you about a particular company, you can write a 3 to 4 page report on. And remember, I'm not the only reader. Your classmates are going to read it too. So do a good job. And so it's good to get started early. Next week, we have another live discussion, so gather some questions. And of course, you can visit me this week during office hours, but live discussions are always good. Last but not least, assignment for discussions 4 through 6 are due this week. The discussions have been awesome. I've really been enjoying looking over them, and so make sure you garner the points for your great thoughts and great discussions. Follow the directions for the assignment, hand them in, and if you didn't get full credit on the last one, look at my comments, look at the rubric for grading, so you know exactly how to get the points. They're not hard, you just have to follow the instructions. Okay? Have a great week, and I hope to see you in my office hours or online sometime soon. Have a good one.